students, in this video I will explain numerical integration by using Simpson's 1/3 rule. In last video I have explained numerical integration by using trapezoidal rule. Now here I will explain Simpson's 1/3 rule. So Simpson's 1/3 rule is integration x0 to x0 plus nh f of x dx is equal to h by 3 y0 plus yn plus 4 times y1 plus y3 plus y5 and so on plus 2 times y2 plus y4 plus y6 and so on. So you have to remember this formula by that is h by 3 into bracket y0 plus yn means first value plus last value plus 4 times y1, y3, y5, these are odd values, plus 2 times y2, y4, y6, these are even values. Means h by 3, Simpson's 1/3 formula. Again, I will tell the that h by 3 first plus last plus 4 times odd. See here, 4 times odd plus 2 times even values. This first bracket is common to all the formula, trapezoidal, Simpson's 1/3, Simpson's 3/8 and so on. But here changes in next terms, 4 times odd terms plus 2 times even terms. By using this type, you have to remember this formula. Now let us solve first example. So example is evaluate using Simpson's 1/3 rule integration 0 to 0.6 e raised to minus x square dx taking 7 ordinates. So here ordinates means values of x and y are totally 7. So here let us divide this 0 to 0.6 like 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.6, 0.5 and 0.6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total ordinates are 7. Values of x and y are 7. Now here we have to integrate. Integration 0 to 0.6 e raised to minus x square dx means integrand term is e raised to minus x square. That is nothing but y. So y is equal to f of x is equal to e raised to minus x square. So by using this value of function, we have to complete the table. So here value of y. So 1. First value is 1. By putting x is equal to 0 here in this function e raised to 0, we know that e raised to 0 is 1, or in calculator also we can calculate this. E raised to 0 is 1, and to calculate this e raised to, we have to use the button shift ln. ln means log to the base e. So e raised to 0 is 1. To calculate second value here e raised to minus 0.1 square. So shift ln bracket minus 0.1 square equal to 0.99. So to calculate these all values, fix your calci up to 4 decimal places. Now similarly 0.2, 0.3 we have to complete this table up to 0.6. So these are the values from y0 to y6. First value is y0, last value is y6. And middle values are y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. y1, y3, y5 are odd values, y2, y4 are even values. Now using Simpson's 1/3 rule formula, integration 0 to 0.6 e raised to minus x square dx is equal to, firstly I have written formula of Simpson's method h by 3 y0 plus y6. Here in this formula y0 plus yn. Yn is the last term. Here last term use total value. Now, after simplifying this, we will get answer 0.5351 up to 4 decimal places. So we have integration 0 to 0.6 e raised to minus x square dx is equal to point. So integration 0 to 0.6 e raised to minus x square dx is 0.5351. That is the answer of this integration by using Simpson's 1/3 rule. Now let us see second example of Simpson's 1/3 rule. Now here question is the velocity v kilometer per minute of a moped starts from rest is given at a fixed interval of time in bracket minute as follows. So values of t are given from 0 to 20 and values of v are corresponding values are given from 0 to 20. Estimate approximate distance covered in 20 minutes. So here we have to calculate distance by using velocity and time. Now we know the relation between velocity and time and distance is velocity v is equal to ds upon dt. This is relation between velocity, time and distance. Now take this dt to left hand side. So v dt is equal to ds. We have to calculate distance. So distance ds is equal to v dt. So to cancel this derivative, we have to integrate. So integrate on both sides. Integration of ds is s and integration of v dt is from 0 to 20. Now see here intervals are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So even number of intervals. If intervals are even number, so we have to use Simpson's 1/3 rule. This is the tag when we have to use Simpson's 1/3 rule. Now since here intervals are 10 even number, so we have to apply Simpson's 1/3 rule to evaluate this integral. Now let us apply Simpson's 1/3 rule. Simpson's 1/3 rule. So firstly formula s is equal to h upon 3 integration. So here value is, suppose this value, first value is denoted by letter v0, next is v1, v2, v3, v4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in formula first term or first bracket is v0 plus v10, first value plus last value, plus 4 times odd values. So odd values are v1, v3, v5, v7, v9, plus 2 times even values. Even values are starting from v2, v4, v6, v8. So this is the formula by using the table. Now h is proper increment in values of x. So increment in values of here t is 2 divided by 3. We have taken starting time and starting velocity 0, which is actually not given in the example, but starting time is 0 and velocity is 0. It must be considered because here in question we have given this moped is started from rest. So initial time, initial velocity must be 0. So here we have considered v0 and t0 is 0. Now 2 by 3 into bracket, put all values v0 and v10, both are 0, 0, plus 4 times v1 is 10, plus v3 20, using calculator. So firstly we have to solve this bracket, then multiply by 2, divide by 3. Or if you have to calculate at a time, then use bracket here, 2 by 3 bracket, again bracket, and this bracket is completed twice. After simplifying this, answer will be 309.33. 309.33. So this is nothing but S. S is nothing but distance, and distance is measured in terms of kilometer. Units kilometer. So here velocity of moped is given in terms of kilometer per minute. Time is given in terms of minute. So we have distance is in terms of kilometer. So distance covered by moped in 20 minutes is distance covered in 309.33 kilometer in 20 minutes. That is the required answer. So here we have discussed about Simpson's 1/3 rule by using some examples.